Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG0717O in color code 005. The color of the frame is black, and these glasses are a rectangular shape. Its temples are also black, and you'll find the Gucci emblem in gold on its temples. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in gold. On its inner right temple is the serial number, the Gucci logo in gold, and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 51 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary, and on the inside is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.